Welcome back to our channel CodeResist. Are you ready for another interesting and informative video? Today we are going to understand how key performance indicators are maximizing business success with low-code, no-code platforms. In today's fast-paced business world, it's important to keep track of your key performance indicators, KPIs, in order to stay competitive and meet your business goals. In this video, we'll explore why KPIs are important, how to measure them, and how low-code, no-code platforms are helping businesses build powerful KPI measurement tools to drive success. Let's get started. We will solve today's puzzle in 4 parts. Part 1. Why KPIs are important. KPIs are essential metrics that help businesses measure their progress towards specific goals. By tracking KPIs, you can identify areas where your business is excelling, as well as areas where it needs improvement. KPIs can help you make informed decisions, prioritize your resources, and drive growth. Part 2. How to measure KPIs. Measuring KPIs can be challenging, especially if you have a large amount of data to work with. However, with the right tools and processes, it's possible to measure KPIs accurately and effectively. Low-code, no-code platforms provide businesses with a way to easily build custom KPI measurement tools that can be tailored to their specific needs. These platforms offer pre-built templates and drag-and-drop interfaces that make it easy for even non-technical users to create powerful KPI dashboards. Part 3. How low-code, no-code platforms are changing KPI measurement. Low-code, no-code platforms are revolutionizing the way businesses build and manage their KPI measurement tools. By eliminating the need for complex coding, these platforms empower non-technical users to design and control KPI measurement and analysis. With low-code, no-code platforms, businesses can build custom KPI dashboards that provide real-time insights into their performance, allowing them to make data-driven decisions that drive growth. Part 4. The future of KPIs in low-code, no-code platforms. The future of KPIs in low-code, no-code platforms is bright. As these platforms continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, businesses will have access to even more powerful KPI measurement tools. With the ability to easily build custom KPI dashboards and analyze data in real time, businesses will be able to make faster and more informed decisions, driving growth and success. Thanks for watching this video on mastering KPIs with low-code, no-code platforms. By using low-code, no-code platforms to track and measure your KPIs, you'll be able to stay competitive and achieve your business goals. You can also visit our site www.CodeResist.com to read many more interesting articles about KPIs. Don't forget to try our free KPI measurement tool. Hope you like our video. You can also read more interesting blogs, try free tools, download ebooks, and find some interesting training for you to know more on low-code app development and platforms at www.CodeResist.com. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe and comment on our channel for more interesting videos related to low-code and no-code platforms.